Hello and welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're taking a look at a 2023 GMC Terrain SLE featured in Summit White with a jet black interior. Under the hood there's a 1.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include a power moonroof, heated seats, power park brake, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a power liftgate. Some safety features include forward collision alert, lane keep assist, hill descent control, a backup camera, OnStar, SOS, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door with power lock and unlock, front and rear powered windows and powered mirrors, as well as our trunk controls to the side, some storage and cup holder space below. To the left of the driver's seat, we have our power seating and power lumbar. Here are the seats. And we can hop inside. Just to the left when we get inside, we have our lighting controls as well as our power park brake. And we can turn it on. Just in the middle is our cluster. To the right of the steering wheel, we have our cluster controls as well as Bluetooth controls. To the left, we have the cruise control with forward collision alert. Moving over to the infotainment screen, we can check out our audio. Has AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth, and it is also equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We can connect the phone right there, and we can check out the navigation. And we can throw it in reverse. Below that are the controls, and below that is the dual zone climate control. And all the way down at the bottom we have a USB-C, USB and an aux plug-in, as well as a 12-volt. Some storage here, 2 cup holders in the middle. And here we have our heated seats for both driver and passenger, as well as our lane keep assist and hill descent control. Here's the center console. We have a storage compartment above, light at the back, and a deeper one below with 2 USB plugins. Here's the rear view mirror. Just above that is the OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights, a place to hold our sunglasses, and the moonroof controls. Here's the moonroof, and there's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels, Terrain badging along the bottom, black mirror caps and color matched door handles with keyless entry, and privacy tint on the rear windows, SLE badging along the side, and we can go ahead and make our way to the back and open it up. All we got to do is double click. It's going to pop open for us. We've got a ton of space back here. Of course, we can lift this up to get some more space, and for a spare tire, there's a 60/40 seat split. And of course we can drop both of these seats down using either of these controls to get a ton more space in here. And to close her up, all we gotta do is push the button there and it's gonna close for us. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door with powered windows, some storage and cup holder space below. Here are the seats. And we can drop them down from the front as well by just pulling on this, and they'll just fold right over. You can hop inside. So at the back here we have our rear vents, 2 USB plugins, and all the way down at the bottom we have a 3-prong. Of course, on the side we have handles with a light on the other side. And if we take a look in the middle here, we can pull this down for an armrest / cup holder. And here's the view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2023 GMC Terrain SLE. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you at Wolfe GMC Buick very soon.